Hello everyone, I am Hani Santosh Sanki. I am from SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I am going to start about PowerPoint presentation. My subject is Operation Management. Topic is Games Theory. So let's see. Game Theory. Game theory is developed by Professor John on Neumanian and Oscar Morgenstern in 1928. Game theory is a body of knowledge that deals with making a decision. The approach of game theory is to seek to determine a rival most profitable counter strategy to one on the best moves. Next is types of game theory. Game theory is types of a situation, competitive situation. There are a pure strategy, mixed strategy. Mixed strategies are also types of 2 into 2 strategy in game. These are a arithmetic mean 2n into 2m. These are you are using a graphical method. M&M strategy, linear programming method, is a analytical method. Next is classification. There are various types of classification. There are two person game, a game with two number of player, zero sum of game. A game is which sum of amount won by all winner is equal to sum of the amount lost by all loser. Non-zero game, a game in which the sum of gain and loss are not equal. Pure strategy game, a game in which the best strategy of each player is to be play one strategy throughout the game. Mixed strategy game, a game in which each player employ different strategy at a different time in the game. Next is saddle point method. In very important point is a saddle point. These are a game theory is a heart of the part. At the right of each row, write the row minimum and underline the largest of them in column minimization and row minimization. At the bottom of each column, the column is maximization and underline the smallest of them. If these two elements are equal, the correspondential is the saddle point of the value is a value of the game. Example. There are example where solid the payoff matrix of the two person zero sum game. These are a player A and these are a player B. B1, B2, B1. These are A1, A2, A3. Take a example 15, 2, 3, 6, 5, 7, minus 7, 4 and 0. At a solution. We are we are know about the row minimization and column maximization. Means of what? These are a row 15, 2, 3, which is the lowest point is a 2. So we are putting 2 in a row minimization. Next is A2 6, 5, 7, which is the smallest one is a 5. These are we have put in 5. Next is a minus 7, 4 and 0. In this A3 row is a minus 7 is a minimum value, so we have put in minus 7. Then we are do it column maximization. This is a 15, 6, B1, 15, 6 minus 7. So maximum value is a 15. B2, 2, 5 and 4. 5 is a maximum value. So we put in this column maximization column. 3, 7, 0. So which one is big? So 7 is the big. So we have put in column maximization in B3. Dominance method means of what? Dominance means cancellation. We are know about it. States that if the strategy of the player dominate over the other strategy in all conditions, the later strategy can be ignored. Means rule number 1, if all the elements in a row of a payoff matrix are less than or equal to corresponding element of the other row, then comparate row will be deleted. Complete comparative row will be deleted. Rule number 2, if all the elements in a column in payoff matrix are greater than or equal to corresponding elements of other column, then comparative column will be deleted. So let's see dominated method. Consider a game with a payoff matrix. These are a numerical solution. We are solid a1 a3 a1 a3 a2 a4. These are a payoff matrix b1 b2 b3 b4. So uh, so let's the solution. These are a1 value. These are 42, 72, 32, 12. Then column 1 value is a which one is a big is a 72 is a big in a payoff matrix. So 72 column is a cancel. Next is uh, next is a 40 no, 45 is a big value, so we cancel in 45 value. First of all, maximize value we are cancelling. Then it's a minimum value. So we are only two column are there in a no cancellation. So 0 and so 10 is a minimum value in our this. So we are cancelling in a row. Next is 0. Next is a minus 10. Next is a minus 10 is a lowest value, so we cancel in row a3 line. Then only b3 before a4 is 0 and 15 we are put in right column 1, 32, 12, 0 and then 15. So next is calculating is 13 32 plus 12 is a 20 and the 15 is a lowest value you are put it. So this is a payoff matrix 20 is 20 50 50. Then we are value of game calculated 32 into 15 plus 0 into 20 upon 35. That's considering the 35 is equal to 96 upon 7. These are a value of game. Next is graphical method. It is helpful in finding out up two strategies can be used. Point area in case m into 2 minimax and 2 into n maximin. These are consider a game with a payoff matrix. These are using a graphical method. You are this is a example a1 a3 b1 b2 b3 b4 b5. So we are same strategy we are use. Which one is a by applying dominance rule we can cut the following column. And so what which one is a lowest value is a minus 4 minus 6 minus 3 and 0. So we eliminate this column. So only you have get the value is 2 minus 3 and 1. So we plot the graph, then we are calculating the saddle point. These are a saddle point means 2 to minus 3 and minus 3 to 1. Sorry, 1 to minus 3. Applying the ordinate method. So we have calculated 5 plus 4, 2 plus 3 minus 3 is a 5. So you have put this value in this column 1 and this 4 pi upon 9 and 5 upon 9 is a solution. So value of game is 2 into 4 upon 9 minus, this is put the formula, 3 into 5 upon 9. The value of game is equal to 7 upon 9 is answer. Next is algebraic method. This method used for, it's a very easy and 2 into 2 game which do not have any saddle point, as it is does not have saddle point. So we are using mixed strategy has to be used. Player selected each of available strategy for a certain proportion of time. It that each player selects strategy with same probability. So, a limitation of the game theory. The assumption that each player has the knowledge about his own payoff and payoffs or opponent is not a practical. The method of solution become complex with the increase in number of players. In the game theory, it is assumed that both the players are equally wise and they behave in rational way. The assumption is also not possible. Thank you.